What is Remote Online Notarization, or RON? RON is an online option that's equivalent to a paper-based in-person notarization. Every part of the notarization is done via the Internet, starting with an online notary confirming the signer's identity, determining that they understand the document and are willing to sign it. Traditional notary tools become digital tools. Electronic signatures replace wet ink signatures. An electronic notary seal replaces the physical stamp. A digital certificate replaces a notary's handwritten signature. And a secure record of the notarization is stored. That's remote online notarization in a nutshell. Visit nationalnotary.org/RON to learn more about the differences between RON, traditional notarization, and in-person notarization. For more details, view the resource links in this video description.